Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to delete a story on TikTok. For example, if you have recently uploaded a story on TikTok and you know if you want to delete it, so how you can do that. For this, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the TikTok app and you have to make sure that you have simply install the latest version of the TikTok app. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the app. And after updating the app, you have to simply open the TikTok app. So as you open the TikTok app, if you have uploaded
I
the
like
story,
Niyari.
then it will be shown on your profile. So here you have to simply click on that and you have to open the story. But if you want to delete it, then you have to simply go to settings. And after that, you have to go to settings and privacy. And after that, you have to simply search for the story settings. And after that, you can simply delete it from here. But if you have recently uploaded that story, then you can simply click on that story. And after that, option will be available as to delete your story. So if you want to delete it, then you have to simply first of all upload the story and it will be shown on your profile, and you have to click on that profile, and after that you have to simply press and hold that story, and the delete option will be available on your TikTok. So hope you have liked this video. When you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.